Nice warm fire. Basic fire safety knowledge is an important skill that can save your life on or off the job. Here we will break down basic characteristics of fire, important fire safety tips, what to do if you are involved with a fire. There is no second chance when it comes to fires. Work-related fires have taken lives of hundreds of people and injured countless others. But fires are tragedies that don't have to happen. Fire Safety Toolbox Talk. Hi, I'm Charles Botello. Overview: Science of fire, fire classifications, fire prevention, fire extinguisher identification, fire safety procedure, fire extinguisher checklist. Let's get on it. The science of fire. What is a fire? Well, chemical reaction involving rapid oxidation or burning of a fuel. Fire needs 3 elements to occur: oxygen, heat, fuel. Fire ignition equals chain reaction, with all 3 elements coming together in the right amount and under the certain conditions. Fire classifications. Class A, ordinary combustibles. Example: wood, paper, cloth, rubber, and certain plastics. Class B, flammable, combustible gases and liquids. Example: gasoline, kerosene, paint, paint thinner, and propane. Class C, energized electrical equipment and appliances. Example: appliances, panel boxes, switches, power tools. Class D, certain combustible metals. Example of that: magnesium, titanium, potassium, sodium. This burns at a high temperature and gives off enough oxygen to obtain combustion. Fire prevention. Class A, ordinary combustible fires. Important to always maintain a clean work area. Proper storage of rags and debris in metal containers away from flame. Class B, flammable liquids or gases. Use a flammable liquid in safe location, i.e., well-ventilated area. Proper storage of flammable liquids. Do not refuel gas-powered equipment while still hot. Refer to standards, codes related to safe storage and amounts of liquids in the workplace. Class C, electrical equipment fires. Safety check of equipment, i.e., old, worn-out parts, electrical motors, clean and running well, overheating prevention. Parts need to be replaced with its capable. Example: fuses. Do not overload a wall outlet, especially now during Christmas. Only 1 plug per outlet. Odors. If you smell something wrong, something is burning. Class D, combustible metal fires. Prevent from coming into contact with water and other chemicals. Here we have a fire extinguisher identifications. I will be making another safety video in the future about fire extinguishers. There's great detail into them. Here is a simple look. The most common fire extinguisher is the dry powdered one. Each fire extinguisher displays a rating on the faceplate, showing the class of fire it is designed to put out. Extinguishers are marked with multiple ratings such as AB, BC, or ABC. These extinguishers are capable of putting out more than one type of fire. Class A extinguishers are effective on ordinary combustibles. Extinguishers capable of extinguishing Class A fires include pressurized water, foam, or multi-purpose dry chemical agents. They carry a numeric rating that indicates how large a fire an experienced person can safely put out with that extinguisher. Class B extinguisher are used on flammable liquids or gases. Their agents include foam, carbon dioxide, ordinary dry chemicals, multi-purpose dry chemicals. Similar to Class A extinguisher, numerical ratings indicate how large a fire an experienced person can put out. Class C extinguishers are used specifically on electrical fires. Class C electric extinguishers may contain carbon dioxide, ordinary dry chemicals, multi-purpose dry chemicals. Never use water extinguisher or any agent capable of conducting electricity on Class C fires. If a fire starts, follow a procedure outlined by your company. You may be able to put out a small fire before it spreads with a fire extinguisher. Only use an extinguisher when it's safe to do so. If by any means you are no longer able to safely fight the fire, leave the area immediately. For operations, fire extinguisher, use the pass method. Pull and remove the pin located at the top of the extinguisher. Aim, discharge the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the top of the handle of the extinguisher. Sweep the discharge from side to side across the fire. Fire extinguisher checklist. Has your fire extinguisher been inspected by a professional? Is the fire extinguisher easy to find and accessible in your workplace? Check for the type of class rating for the extinguisher. Is it safe to use on fires which are specified in your workplace? Check the seal. Has the extinguisher been tampered with or used before? Look at the gauge. Feel the weight. Is it charged? Is it ready to operate? Report any missing, empty, expired, or damaged fire extinguishers to your safety coordinator. This has been your Fire Safety Toolbox Talk by Charles Botello. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.